Hello, Shoreline, and hello to everyone watching from around the world. Recently, Maps got its biggest upgrade in a decade, including a new feature called Ask Maps. People are using it to ask more complex and much longer questions. Here's a real query from a parent. My kid just fell into the duck pond, and the wedding starts in 30 minutes. Where can I walk and buy her a new dress? I'd like to hear how that turned out. We're also bringing this conversational AI to two more products. First, Ask YouTube. People come to YouTube every day to ask a lot of questions. Ask YouTube entirely reimagines the experience. Say you want to teach your 3-year-old how to ride a pedal bike, and they already know how to ride a balance bike. Just ask YouTube. You will see a couple of differences in results. It remembers the context, so you can follow up with questions like, should I buy one with handbrakes or pedal brakes, making it an ongoing conversation. It even lays out the information in a table, so it's easy to compare. We are starting to test Ask YouTube now, and it'll roll out broadly in the US this summer. With Docs Live, you can just verbally brain dump whatever is on your mind and let Gemini do the rest.
So I just remembered I'm doing an alumni talk for my high school's career day tomorrow. I need to come up with some talking points to explain what I do for a living as a software engineer, but I'm not really sure where to start. Oh, actually, can you just pull my resume from Drive? Although that might be boring. Maybe can you come up with some funny analogies so it'll be more of an engaging talk for the students? Oh, and also, I think the school sent me an email. I think the subject is something like career day logistics. Maybe just grab the details from there, throw them at the top of the doc so I know where to go and what time to get there. Let's just update those requirements and turn this straight into a draft.
Docs Live is rolling out for Pro and Ultra subscribers this summer, and the same powerful voice capabilities will come to Gmail and Google Keep then too. We recently announced our 8th generation of TPUs at Cloud Next. 80 is optimized for large-scale pre-training, and it's nearly 3 times the raw computing power of our previous generation. Instead, we can now seamlessly distribute training across multiple sites, scaling across more than 1 million TPUs globally. TPU 8i is designed for inference. We have dramatically improved speed at every step. Here's a prompt on an upcoming Flash model if it were running on 8i. I'll ask it to create a Chrome Dino game. The speed is pretty incredible, nearly 1,500 tokens per second. It almost took longer to write out the request, and the game is pretty fun too.
I'm excited to announce Gemini Omni, our new model that can create anything from any input. It combines Gemini's intelligence with the best of our generative media models, can give it a simple prompt like make a claymation explainer of protein folding, and get this.
Proteins start as chains of amino acids. They fold into patterns like the alpha helix, and flat sections called beta sheets, forming a perfect 3-dimensional shape.
Is you can give it your own videos, for example, this selfie, and change reality in a really fun way. You can easily adjust the details and style, or even add elements. And the whole scene morphs to reflect your new idea. Today, we're launching the first model in the Omni family, Gemini Omni Flash. It's now available across our products, and you'll hear more about this later.
And today, I'm excited to introduce Gemini 3.5 Flash. And of course, we are bringing it today to developers in Antigravity.
Using the new Antigravity and Gemini 3.5 Flash, we asked our agent to take on what we consider to be a highly complex and impressive task: build a working operating system from scratch. Over 12 hours, 93 sub-agents working in parallel made over 15,000 model requests and processed 2.6 billion tokens to take an initially empty project to the core of a functioning operating system. Turns out that the OS is currently missing some necessary video and keyboard drivers. So let's just try and fix it in the new Antigravity. Antigravity ended up doing a whole host of research, ended up writing over 100 lines of code, and then finally built the operating system. Let's take a peek and see if it works. Moment of truth. Amazing. Antigravity 2.0 is available globally for everyone.
Introducing Gemini Spark, your personal AI agent that helps you navigate your digital life, taking action on your behalf and under your direction. It runs on dedicated virtual machines on Google Cloud, and it's 24/7. And yes, you can close your laptop.
And I want to take you into Spark here. And what you can see immediately is a dashboard with all the different tasks that I have going on in the background. It allows you to check in on these things. And I'll paste in, and you can see here, this is a pretty complex prompt. Spark will go through step by step. Look at all these steps, all the time it saves you going through. And again, work across the various skills and apps that you have. And what's really amazing is it'll break it down and also be able to generate files for you. So the first one here, this is a live RSVP tracker right in Google Sheets, and it works across both Android and iPhone. So here you can see on my phone here, I'll open it up and I can go into Spark. You see both of the tasks we just went through, they sync across all your devices, which is so helpful. We're rolling out Gemini Spark deliberately to trusted testers this week and as a beta for US Google AI Ultra subscribers next week. We want this new type of help to be in as many hands as possible. So to do that, we're introducing a new Ultra plan for $100 a month. We're dropping the price for our top-tier Ultra plan from $250 a month to $200 a month. Later this summer, Gemini Spark will operate directly within Chrome. We're also building a dedicated home base for your agents on your phone, Android Halo, which is coming later this year.
Now to start, I'm excited to announce we're launching a brand new intelligent search box. Search helps you formulate your questions with AI-powered suggestions. This goes beyond autocomplete. It offers nuances that you might not have even thought to add. Now, this is the biggest upgrade to our iconic search box since its debut, over 25 years ago, and it's starting to roll out today. Next, we're making it even easier to continue the conversation with search, bringing AI overviews and AI mode into one seamless AI search experience. So you can flow effortlessly from your question to your response on the main search results page to follow-ups in AI mode. And I'm excited to share this new seamless AI search experience is live today across desktop and mobile worldwide. We're entering the era of search agents. Now to start, you can set information agents to work for you 24/7 in the background. They can find you exactly what you need, exactly when you need it, and help you take action. Now you'll be able to put information agents to work for you this summer. Just ask Search to keep you updated on whatever you want to know.
We're bringing Antigravity and the agentic coding capabilities of Gemini 3.5 Flash right into Search. So Search can build you the ideal format exactly for your question. We're talking dynamic layouts, interactive widgets, entire experiences, all created just for you. Generative UI with Antigravity is rolling out to Search this summer for everyone, free of charge.
I am excited to announce the Universal Cart, a truly intelligent shopping cart. It works across merchants and across services. You'll be able to add things to your cart when you're browsing Search, chatting with Gemini, watching YouTube, or even reading your Gmail. The moment you add a product, your cart goes to work for you in the background. It finds deals, looks at price drops, gives you insights on the price history, and alerts you when something comes back in stock. I am excited to announce that we are rolling out the Universal Cart in the US across Search and the Gemini app this summer with YouTube and Gmail to follow.
Today, I'm excited to announce that we've completely redesigned the Gemini experience from the ground up. We've greeted you with a stunning new design language we call Neural Expressive. We've added fluid animations, vibrant colors, new topography, haptic feedback throughout the app. So we've involved the entire experience. We've made it easier to discover and generate those gorgeous images, videos, and music with built-in templates that you can easily remix. And we've completely transformed the Gemini Live experience. It now opens up immediately and in line. And soon, you'll be able to pick a regional dialect that resonates with you.
You've got a right good mix of different accents knocking about like this one from Liverpool.
Neural Expressive is rolling out globally on Android, iOS, and the web starting right now. I want to introduce one of our newest out-of-the-box agents called the Daily Brief. It's a personalized digest that's designed to be your first stop every morning. Here's how it works. You can see here that it's synthesizing information from across my inbox, my calendar, my tasks. It's finding the most important things for me to be aware of. The Daily Brief is rolling out today also to Google AI, Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers, starting right here in the US.
Introducing Google Pics, a new product in Google Workspace. Pics is our image creation and editing tool that helps you create just about anything, from party flyers to infographics, with the creative controls you want. You start with a base image as your canvas, and what's really cool is that Pics understands what's in your creations and how the objects work together. You can hover over an element and click to remove it, or you can resize an object to fit the frame. Once the layout is set, you can add or edit text and translate all of it with just a few clicks. And Pics is rolling out this summer. Until today, Flow could only execute one prompt at a time. Now, your agent can take multiple actions all at once. I can ask the agent to help me find the best camera angles for this scene. It analyzes what's happening in the image, concepts the most compelling angles, and then, boom, a single image becomes 16 unique videos. Now you can vibe code any creative tool you could think of, right in Flow. Custom built by you for your unique creative process. Like designing video effects, hand-drawn animations, or layering text. You can start building, sharing, and remixing tools today. Google Flow Music brings the same creative control to help artists create original songs. For months, one of our teammates had a piano riff in his head.
If I'm not on display, tell me why would I try to fly?
Now, this isn't his final track, but it helped his band decide what to record next. All these new features in Google Flow and Google Flow Music are available today.
Today, I'm excited to announce that our first audio glasses will arrive this fall. They are designed to give you all-day help with Gemini that is spoken into your ear privately rather than shown on a display. And these glasses let you stay hands-free and heads-up for things like listening to music, taking photos, making calls, or tapping into your phone apps, all without reaching for your pocket. You've got the world's top eyewear designers at Gentle Monster and Warby Parker creating iconic designs. I'm wearing one of the Warby Parker styles, and Nishta has a pair of the Gentle Monster glasses on.
Hey, can you navigate me to the place I met my friend Gianna at last week?
Hey, Nishta. I've set your route to the Redwood Grove Nature Preserve from last week's hike. Want to add a stop on the way to grab your afternoon cold brew?
Yes, Gemini. I would love that. Gemini, can you actually put my usual order in at that coffee shop we just talked about?
Sure. I'll order you a nitro cold brew for pickup from Koopa Cafe on DoorDash.
Gemini is able to launch apps like DoorDash, then click through all the different option screens automatically to order her coffee.
I have prepared your order for the nitro cold brew from Koopa Cafe. Would you like to confirm?
Yes, please. And add a tip for 20% too.
I think after all these rehearsals, that's our 15th cold brew today, and thanks to the coffee shop for putting up with us. So, we saw how glasses work on your phone, but what about when they attach to your watch?
It's not a Google I/O without an audience selfie, but we're going to do it with a twist this time. Can everyone strike their favorite pose? Gemini, take a photo of this amazing audience, but turn it into a cartoon and add a big blimp in the sky that says Google I/O 2026 on it in fun colors.
Here we go.
AGI is now on the horizon, and it will be the most profound and impactful technology ever invented. If built right, it could propel human progress and flourishing beyond our imaginations. We're in a moment of immense promise, but also enormous responsibility. It's important that we are clear-eyed about the potential challenges and use all the tools at our disposal to ensure the safety of our agentic systems and ultimately AGI itself. One area of risk that has gained a lot of attention recently is cybersecurity. Google has invested in this area for decades, and we're bringing our frontier capabilities and deep expertise to help secure the world's code bases. I'm excited to announce Gemini for Science, which brings together a number of powerful AI tools to help accelerate research. Gemini can already assist in solving complex problems, but our new labs prototypes streamline daily scientific tasks. Whether it's staying on top of newly published papers, transforming research goals into usable code, or generating new hypotheses. We look forward to building the future with all of you. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of Google I/O.